Ever wondered what goes on before a pilot takes to the skies? What are those meticulous checks and procedures that ensure every flight is safe? Today we delve into the fascinating world of pre-flight procedures. It all begins with a walk-around, an external check of the aircraft. The pilot checks for any visible signs of damage, ensuring the aircraft is in pristine condition. The tires, wings, tail and fuselage, every nook and cranny is scrutinized with an eagle eye. Next, the pilot heads to the cockpit for the internal check. This includes checking the flight controls, ensuring they're moving freely and correctly. The rudder, ailerons and elevators, everything must respond accurately to the controls. Then comes the inspection of the instrument panel. The pilot ensures all the gauges, switches and indicators are functioning properly. From the altimeter to the engine indicators, every instrument plays a crucial role in a safe and smooth flight. The pilot then reviews the fuel levels. Maintaining proper fuel levels is not only critical for the flight's duration, but also for balancing the aircraft. The pilot ensures that the fuel tanks are filled according to the flight plan. One of the most critical checks is the weather. A pilot must be well versed with the weather conditions on the route and destination. Any potential turbulence or adverse weather conditions are taken into account while planning the flight. Finally, the pilot checks the flight plan, reviewing the route, altitudes and airspaces. The pilot also confirms the emergency procedures, ensuring they're ready to tackle any unforeseen circumstances. In summary, the pre-flight procedures involve a comprehensive external and internal check of the aircraft, a thorough review of the fuel levels, weather conditions and flight plan. These steps are crucial in ensuring the safety and smooth operation of every flight. So, the next time you're in a plane, remember, a lot goes on behind the scenes to ensure your flight is safe and comfortable. Every check, every procedure is a testament to the commitment pilots have towards their passengers' safety. Flying is not just about soaring through the skies, it's about meticulous planning, unwavering focus, and a steadfast commitment to safety.